My people, welcome to another yarnings again. This yarnings today where carry us go na OBA Market for Benin. One of the big markets, one of our main market for the city as e be so. So based on the former administration matter now, the market catch fire. Since then, no level, they just throw away people for the matter, they don't really do workings for there. But this new administration, they can't enter, they can't put a part of their agenda, so they will run renovation for the market. So as e be like this, some market women yarn with us. Listen to wetin this market woman talk.
So wetin we wan basically ask you now na say whether you dey happy with the renovation and wetin you want make government do for dis una urban market.
We dey happy with the renovation. Everybody dey happy. Now wetin we want make government do for us. They say they want drive everybody come out. We na all this road no go fit contain everybody. Dem go finish this side, then people go move come this side. Dem go continue the other side. This one, the thing dey somehow as every day now. Sometimes people go dey fight, dey kill themselves for only one small space for road. E get one certain time now, inside last month. Now blood, woman with blood dey waka dey come. Just because of say dem dey fight for only one small place. The thing dey tire everybody. Me, I no understand.
So the market women yarn is na just say make government just try quick for the renovation wey dem dey do, because normal as you fit see am now, traffic dey occur, and as you see am, e come make the traders come dey trade for streets, and e no good, e no dey safe for everybody. But no yawa sha, we go bring una more update as the matter dey go. Una no forget to dey follow us to dey subscribe. Street dey yarn am but na we just dey echo am. My people, una do.